The 12-day-long Israel-Iran conflict ended with a ceasefire after Trump claimed to have obliterated Iran's nuclear program. But now the UN nuclear watchdog chief has raised eyebrows with a striking claim that Iran could possibly resume production of enriched uranium within months. Iran, meanwhile, has voiced serious doubts over Israel's commitment to the truce. Our next report by DD India's Mihir Maikuri has the details.
Iran's key nuclear enrichment facilities have been completely and totally obliterated.
Just days after Trump's explosive announcement on Iran, the head of the UN's nuclear watchdog has detonated another political shockwave. Rafael Grossi said Iran could be capable of producing enriched uranium within months, reigniting fears of a nuclear flashpoint.
Iran had a very vast, ambitious program, and part of it may still be there. And if not, there is also the self-evident truth that the knowledge is there, the industrial capacity is there. Iran is a very sophisticated country in terms of nuclear technology, as is obvious. So you cannot disinvent this.
This comes on the heels of a dramatic escalation in June. Israeli strikes targeting Iranian nuke and military sites, followed by a US military intervention and a truce. Grossi is now advocating diplomacy over destruction.
Military operations or not, you are not going to solve this in a definitive way militarily. You are going to have an agreement. You are going to have an inspection system that will give everybody in the region and elsewhere the assurances that we can definitely turn the page.
As Iran mourns, it laid to rest top military and nuclear figures killed in the war with Israel. But the nation's pain deepened further with Iran confirming at least 71 deaths in an Israeli strike on Tehran's notorious Evin Prison on June 23, many believed to be political detainees. Meanwhile, the fragile truce brokered by Trump is already showing cracks. Iran's top military commander has publicly voiced skepticism, saying Tehran doubts Israel's commitment to the ceasefire, casting long shadows over the agreement's longevity. In Israel, German Interior Minister visited the site of a deadly Iranian missile strike in Bat Yam that killed 9 civilians. There, he delivered a blunt message. If Iran possessed nuclear arms, they would not hesitate to use them.
We can see here how real the threat is. We see here that war is being waged on the civilian population. There are no military targets here. It is a terror attack on the civilian population. And when you see the damage that is caused by a rocket attack from Iran, then there is no doubt that would Iran have the nuclear possibility, they would use it against Israel.
With weapons, words, and wounds shaping the region's future, the question is no longer if the world can disarm Iran, but how to defuse a crisis before it explodes further. Mihir Maikuri for DD India.